wetsuit weather right now in terms of those temperatures. Right now, all the cloud cover still off to our north. We'll see a few afternoon pop-up residual clouds just from the instability as we get into the 80s this afternoon. But the wildfire smoke still around, not as thick as it was yesterday. You can see invisible satellite. It's more of a steeper northwest to southeast. So those communities like Allegan, Van Buren, Berrien County, not seeing as much haze as we did here yesterday. Muskegon, much different story though. It looks like reduced visibility out there with some pretty dense wildfire smoke overhead, almost foggy. On the horizon in Grand Rapids, more of the same as well, but looking to the south, it actually looks better than it does looking off to the north and northeast, and we'll continue to see that be the trend this afternoon. So this is Holland. You can see this is far southern Ottawa, northern Allegan County. Bluer skies there, then areas inland. Again, next couple of hours, the haze will continue to diminish, but we're still going to be sticking with that through most of the afternoon. Right now, winds are very, very light out of the south, though, bringing in the warmer air, but it's not a strong breeze, so it feels really, really nice out there. We may have a little bit of a heat index this afternoon as well, with dew points in the 50s, and winds are going to remain light until we get to tomorrow. So this is Wednesday morning. Notice we'll see a pretty strong cold front move through. Wind gusts will pick up to about 30 miles per hour at its peak through the late morning and early afternoon. That means temperatures are going to peak at the same time as well. Early morning, mid-afternoon, and then we'll see them cool down on through the afternoon and evening. So 81 degrees today under the mostly sunny, hazy skies. Tomorrow, that'll push all the wildfire smoke out. We'll see a layer of clouds early, full sunshine in the evening, but temperatures only topping out around 68 degrees. So that's where we're at currently in Grand Rapids. Everywhere else up into the 70s, even mid-70s in South Haven, Coldwater, Three Rivers. Much warmer air here settled in Iowa, Illinois, Wisconsin, Minnesota. That's what's headed our way here as these winds slightly pick up today, bringing in the southerly flow. Right now, though, nothing happening there. Nothing but sunshine to warm them up here this morning. We do have that rain to our north, and that is what's headed our way here. In the next 24 hours, good news is not a lot of moisture here in the Midwest region. And so as that moves down, most of that rain is going to diminish. Just look at how narrow that line of scattered showers has gotten. It turns into almost nothing by the time it gets to Grand Rapids and Chicago, even just broken clouds at best. We may see some communities be mostly sunny tomorrow as that narrow band of clouds gets thinner and thinner as it moves to the south. Areas near the state line have the best chance at seeing mostly sunny skies. High pressure sets in behind it, much cooler air. But again, temperatures overnight tonight staying on the mild side, 53 for an overnight low, 54 in Hastings, 54 in Kalamazoo. 60s for the highs Wednesday and Thursday, partly cloudy skies. Again, chance of a sprinkle. Big thing is going to be the breeze and the cool down. Friday to kick off Memorial Day weekend, great conditions ahead. Right on into the 70s, 80s. We are looking at 84 degrees on Monday. Could be the warmest day of 2023 so far if we are to hit 84 degrees. Our warmest thus far has been 83 back in April 15th, and we haven't seen